today? This is circle. This is
triangle.
this is rectangle. This is square. This is yes, and this is yes. Let's paste these shapes on the sheet. Give me star now. Give me star. Yes. Let's put the Fevicol onto it and paste the star onto a star. Where is the star? Where is the star? Here. Help Mama. Very nice. Very nice. Let's place it properly. And next shape is square. Where is square? Here. Let's put the Fevicol and paste the square onto a square. Where's the square? Where's the square? Here. Here, Mama. Here. Let's pick up triangle now. Give me triangle. Yes. Let's put the Fevicol. Put the Fevicol. Yes. Let's place the triangle onto the triangle. That's a yellow triangle. Where is triangle? Here. Help Mama. Yes. Very nice. Let's do it properly. Okay. Okay. Which shape is this? Circle. This is circle. A red circle. Let's put the Fevicol and then where is circle now? Here. Let's help Mama. Give me heart now. Heart. A yellow heart. Where is the heart on the sheet? Where is the heart? Okay, let's put the Fevicol first. Okay. Place the heart onto the heart. Where is the heart? Here. Help Mama. Very nice. Let's paste it properly. Last one is rectangle. A blue rectangle. A blue rectangle. Let's put the Fevicol. And let's paste it now. Where's the rectangle? This one. Help Mama. Thank you. These are all the shapes. Bye bye. Thank you. Circle. Very nice. Which shape is next one? This one. Which shape is this? Which shape is this?
Triangle.
Very nice. Which shape next? This one is? Square. Jump into square. Which shape is this? Okay. Jump into heart, Jaraj. Yes, jump!